yes, even if land is available for outsiders, Yoruba, Hausa, Delta, Lebanese, what is there in Igbo land to attract a non-resident, which is important. And I think that this will be a question, therefore, for not just the authorities in government in all the 5 states of the Southeast, but to also the billionaires and businessmen of Igbo extraction who are mostly outside of that region. You know, for a number of times, the Igbos are compared to the Jews in terms of how proficient they are, how industrious they are. But of course, nobody would say that the Jews have not done anything in their homeland of Israel. We know of how powerful they are in terms of military base, in terms of agriculture, in terms of IT and everything. Why do you think that ideal development has eluded the Igbo land in spite of the, huge number of billionaires, huge number of talented people who can turn that place into another Lagos, beyond Lagos or Abuja, into a mini Dubai and things like that. That was the whole point of Aba and the revolution that was meant to happen there, but which we never saw. Why do you think that this has endured for a while? This unenviable reality that there's no point going there to want to buy land, even if you have the authority to buy land. And then secondly, because of time, I would like you to touch on why is there so much anger on the part of many people from the Southeast. Senator Yinaya Baribe spoke about the fact that Nigeria should not think it's progressing by suppressing the Igbos. Do you think that the Igbos are still being suppressed? And why? Is it not something of a paradox that a people so enterprising will now be asking for federal intervention when they will have shown the world that, hey, we really don't need you that much. Our enterprise, our sense of duty can get the southeast part of Nigeria to become the next Dubai, for example. Why is federal intervention so important?